Here I have LENOVO Tab 4.8, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open contacts, select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. Then you have an option to take photo or to just select the photo from the gallery. So let's select the photo. Here you can adjust this photo, how you want this picture to look. And then tap done. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.